Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're making some pimento infused oil. You all are going to love this one. There's nothing like this on the market, so let me show you how easy it is to make. So to make this oil, we're going to start with some fresh pimento peppers, which we're going to cut into a half, place out into the sun or in your dehydrator until it's very dry. You want to get all of the moisture out of the peppers. We're concentrating the flavor. So once it's to this consistency and it's nice and dry, you're going to go ahead and place it into your spice blender, or you can rough chop it with a knife. I'm going to blend it until it gets into like a pepper flake consistency. So if you wanted to make pimento flakes, guess what? We're doing that right now. So once you finish blending it and you have your flakes, just empty it into a container and set it aside. So to make this infused oil, you're going to need this Given You oil infuser. It does a couple of things. It infuses oil, it makes butter, it does jams, it makes tincture. It has a wide range of uses, which I'll leave in the description box for you all. So you just remove the top. It has a little blade at the bottom. What we're going to do is add in a cup of vegetable oil. They recommend using vegetable oil for this. And then you just add in your flavorings. So today I'm using the pimento flakes. And guys, pimento flakes is also sold from Caribbean Flavors, so feel free to use theirs if you didn't want to go through the hassle of making your own. Using the mode button, I'm going to set it to oils. This even makes soap, guys. And hit that on button. It's going to run for about 2.5 hours. When it's done, you have your butter mold that comes with this machine. We have silicone gloves that comes with the machine, and your bags. It's a doubled lined bag that helps you to strain out your infused oils. So all we have to do is remove the cover from the machine. This oil smells so heavenly. Just imagine how it's going to taste. And look how strong it looks. So I'm going to empty this into my bag. We want to strain out the solids, so we just have the oil left back. Look at that color. It's very potent. So I'm emptying everything into the double-lined bag. And then all you have to do is go ahead and squeeze out any excess oil that's remaining over in the bag. And that's it. That's your pimento oil. Now they did say in the booklet when I was reading it that you put some soy lecithin in there, but I didn't want to. I wanted this to remain all natural, no additives, no preservatives. So this is what the pepper flakes look like. You can keep that and reuse it, and all you have to do, pour it out into your storage container and use it accordingly. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Do check out the information for the infuser in the description box. If you buy it from their website, you get 20% off using Natasha's Kitchen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.